How to fix Instagram enable to load image on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram enable to load image on Android phone. First, go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated. Now let's move to the next step. Turn off Wi-Fi. Now open Instagram, turn it on again and try to load image, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, apps, and then apps again, click Instagram. Now click force stop and turn off Wi-Fi, go to storage, clear cache. Now go back, open Instagram and turn on Wi-Fi, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. And don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.